So I'm gonna try to build this app, build this superheroes app. Okay, so going here, we can download the assets. So we got the assets. How to add images to your app? We already know that. Download cabin bold. From here, okay, I'm gonna be back after reading all this. So I tried reading the steps. They're actually giving us how we can set up data, and how to create a list of you know these images and these objects that holds a image and text and text and such things. So let's just get started with this superheroes app. Let's call it superheroes app. Nothing out of the ordinary, just creating so what do we need to do now? We need to create a hero class. So that's gotta be the model. Let's go to the project and app source main. Where are we gonna create that? Here. Okay. New, we gotta create a model. Model's a package, and here we can say model. In that model we need a Kotlin class. That is just a data class, right? Alright, we're gonna call it hero. They're calling it hero. It doesn't return any method, so calling it data should be fine, I guess. Here, what are we? So this accepts a string. I mean resources, string resources and image resources. Let's copy this for a quick reference and comment it out here. This is a string resource, so we're gonna use string resource and call it a name res and give it an integer type, and then description. That's also a string resource, so description race and image. It's a drawable resource. Image res Now we need to create a data model, new package data. Here, what are they calling it? Here's a repository. Object heroes repo. This object returns a list of heroes. Heroes, list of hero. So we need to I'll be back after importing images and strings. Okay, so we're back. At the beginning of the project, in the documentation, they have provided us with images and string. All you need to do is go to the I believe at this point we know how to import images, and also populating these strings. So we are here. So what's the next thing? So we have the so we need to create this item. What are we gonna call this? Let's okay, let's go to the main activity. Get rid of all this quickly. I'm gonna pass the inner padding so it doesn't complain again. Modifier padding, inner padding. Okay, so now we got the hero item. What do we do next? So we have our data. So we're working with a hero. We're working with a hero object. So when we get the hero object, we need to display it. We have we do have everything to display, right? We have a name, we have a description and image. So we need to create this using that. I believe this is our column, and we need a column. We need a column and image inside of row. So let's create column and image. Okay, import it. Painter resource, pass in hero image race also, I believe, and content description null, so it stops complaining about this. And then here we need to display the name and the description. So we're going to use text to text. Inside of text we need to pass a text parameter. We're going to pass hero name. This is a string resources. So we're gonna get an integer. Cut string resource, and here what's the image? Okay, I guess that's okay. Name resources, image, okay. String resources, description. So now we have a name and a description and the image. So we need to create a lazy column. Let's create a lazy column here. Lazy column. Inside of a lazy column we get items, and we need to pass in the list. What's the list? Heroes repo passes as our heroes property, so we need to pass heroes. Did I make a typo? Copy, just to be sure. Okay, unresolved reference items content. No value passed for parameter item content. Wait a minute, could it be here? Let's see. Create a function items. So lazy column has items function, but I don't know if it's in the function signature or in the lambda expression. I'll be back. Okay, so lazy column inside of the lambda expression we can use items function. So let's go items, and here we need to pass in heroes. We did pass it, so what's next? We can pass in a lambda expression, and then okay, we get a single item hero, and we're gonna pass that to hero item. This hero item takes modifier no, let's quickly add a modifier. Man, look at this garbage. Why am I getting this? to hero we're passing hero, I mean this. Okay, so everything should be fine. Okay, type mismatch. Required int found the list. We just need to import that garbage. Now we should see something. Okay, so what's going on? So we have a column, and oh, we forgot to wrap it in a row. Surround with a row. Let's go back to the. So we need to give this image some width in height. Let's surround this with a card. Also, let's surround. So we need to make the image the size modifier. Let's give it 60-70p. Import this garbage. Import okay. So we don't really know the size of the image. Also, what's wrong with this? Why is this image so low? For now though, let's give the card max width. Fill max width. Let's also give the height something like 100 dp. I don't understand why this all the images are fine, this one's not fine. So for now I don't think I have what it takes to solve this, so we're gonna move on. in the example they used a spacer element to push this um, push whatever the thing on the right. So a column and an image, and if we add a spacer we could push them, a modifier, and give it weight 1 floating float float. And we need a padding, so let's also give it some padding, 8 dp. For now let's not use this, because let's let okay, so I think he's using padding here is wrong. Let's give row the padding. What the heck is this? Okay, so we gave it some padding, and let's also give the so the lazy component does not know how to get away from system UIs. So here we're gonna pass in the modifier we're getting. Okay, so we what's next? So we need to use the colors. So we need to use the colors and typography from material theme builder. So we could go to this website and try to select our primary source color. We can select here and select some color, and we can select our some font. We can see the result. These fonts are used for display headlines and titles, body labels, using recommended material theme guidelines. So that's what you are seeing here. And if we click export, we can export for Jetpack Compose. And if we go there, if you go to UI and theme, you get these 3 files. I believe that's what they are giving us right now. So this is the color of file. Let's copy them. So the hard part is using this styles in the right places, not creating it. This shapes files is not created for us at the beginning, so we're gonna create it. Shapes typography type theme. Manually typing all this thing is really hard. Cabin regular, they want us to download these two fonts. Where do we put the font? Let's go. Add fonts. We need to create a font directory in this sample directory. What font? In here we can put all the what is it? Okay, I'm gonna go and download these two fonts. Okay, so I downloaded the file. Let's add them to our folder. So it's here. Let's go to static, and we need to select the bold and the regular. Okay. We have cabin condensed and cabin bold, regular. If we copy and paste it, it just cuts. So we no longer have those two files here. So it's gonna complain. We need to change it. Change the name of this file. Now I have a handy shortcut for that. Shift and F6. All the characters should be lowercase, and we use this character instead of that for spaces. And okay, do the same thing for this one. Okay, so we have them. So we need to use this typography for these texts. So that's the hardest part. So they I would think body large. So I would think the body large would be this description for the heroes. Display medium bold. We could either use these, either one of them could work. Let's go and change them. Main activities of the body large and display medium. Style, material, theme, typography, body large. For the description, and display medium for this. Material theme, typography, display medium. Purple. What is this? Theme. What is going on? Maybe we forgot to copy one more file from there. Material theme, let's go. We have a color, we have shape, we have type, and theme. Okay, let's copy all this. So we are using a superhero theme. We need to keep that in mind. Also, okay, where's this superhero theme? Okay, we're still getting some. Right, let's see. So we just need to center them. Let's quickly send this icon. Just this image just went into oblivion. So we have a row. Inside of row we have elements, 3 elements. Row is horizontal, so we need a vertical. We need align. We need to use align. Right, align. Alignment. Let's see. Align, center. Align and align center horizontally. No, that's not it. Is that it? No. What else? What align the element horizontally within the column. What the hell? We're using row. Let's forget about this. Let's just use the built-in parameters for the row. So horizontal arrangement, vertical alignment. Vertical alignment, center, type mismatch, required alignment, vertical. Dude, where's the icon? so we did it. Let's go and change it to light mode, light theme. So how the hell are we supposed to get the get that image back? I'll think about it for a minute. Okay, so I really don't know, but okay, so we're using the 16. Are we using it? Okay, we're using 16 dp for padding all around, so that's okay. I'm also using 16 dp for the gap here. Let's also add a rounded corner for images. I believe it's clip, material, theme, shapes. Let's see what they're using 8, so small. And they're using elevation 2 dp. Let's click on and check. Okay, this card has elevation parameter, elevation and card elevation to dp. I can't even see the error. Let's look at it again. Card defaults, card elevation. Okay, card defaults, card elevation, default elevation. What do you expect? Default elevation, fill the type of dp. Can I use it like this? Okay, I can use it. So we're using display small and body large. What are we using? We're using body large and they're using display medium. Okay, create a lazy column. Add a top bar. Okay, we need to use a scaffold for that. Superheroes, we already have a scaffold on top of here. In the scaffold we can pass in top bar this what kind of top bar are they using? Center. Small top bar, center aligned top bar. this accepts a lot of things. Title is one of them, and here we need to pass in text. What else do you want? This material experimental opt-in. In here text, let's pass in super heroes and styles, material theme, typography, body large, display large. This kind of looks like this. So we're gonna use the required size for the image. I believe that will prevent from shrinking it, I guess. There's required size 67. None of the following can be applied with arguments applied. With create extension function. Required size, what's it? dp size 67 dp. Okay, let's see. So we somehow made the image, you know, we prevented our image from not shrinking, but still this this text is pushing the image away. So I don't know how this works. I give the column of one float weight, and it seems to work. I'm gonna look at this solution code later. So for now though, this looks like this one. Where's the goddamn settings for dark theme? Okay, if you want to, you can export this as a APK by going to build and selecting build app bundles and build APKs. Clicking that will create a APK file, and you have an option to locate it. Superhero, I'm gonna rename it to superheroes. Copy. I have a FTP folder I have set up FTP on my Windows PC. I can go to the FTP address of this PC and I can access all these files on my phone. Okay, that's pretty much for this.